Tony, where you go?
Mr. Swaby, sir. Woman, don't even have any manners. Not even invited inside. So come in.
Okay.
So, Mr. Swaby, would you like something to drink?
But good enough. Plus we not look a rush. More? And we have the things on the sign.
Oh, yes, I remember. Where you go? Yeah, man. Let's go.
More. That cutie? Some kind of personal.
We just shorten our name. I mean, we're friends.
And she shorten your name and call it Babe.
Tony,
But just want to know if Mr. Swaby is going to be my stepdad. So we just want to know him a little better.
When I reach this, say it.
Yet. Interesting. So, Mr. Swaby, do you know the name Radcliffe Morgan?
Tony, come here. You chat too much. We are you.
We just ask him if you know somebody.
Listen to me, Miss Undercover Agent. Alright? This is not a case we are work on. This is my life. I'm not gonna make you live it for me. You hear me? Ah, yes, Mr. Sterling. Yeah, man, we can provide transportation. What does you want? Mr. Sterling, how much seat do you want for the bus? 15. Okay, that was a 30 seat you want. Okay, yeah, man, I'm ready to.
Young lady, I know you try for proving them, but don't try it. Here. Check for your mother. And if you not like that, that's your problem. From she good with it, me good with it. You are the daughter, so act like it. Know yourself, don't violate. In the kitchen. Yeah, no Radcliffe Morgan. And what?
Oh, and you take it in the bathroom.
No, I'm just there all a reason with your daughter, you know?
We're for leave now.
Yeah, man. Already. Tony, big up yourself. Here.
Oh, Tony, no call you.
I'm giving you a chance to come clean. And don't let me find out that you're an untrained, unqualified agent working in Mullins' organization because you will be looking at prison time.
Which one you gonna find?
Fight no man. Just a workout.
The way you work out is like you have an assignment.
I don't really have no assignment, you know. But I have to stay in shape.
Okay, sir.
So what you want to talk to me about? You couldn't say it on the phone.
Remember, so we're inactive, you know, so I can't say certain things on the phone.
Are you sound like you're on an assignment?
That bull brother, yeah, him really a rub me the wrong way.
Which bull brother?
My mother's so-called business partner, the one we should deal with.
Your mother deal with her business partner? You confuse me.
I just remember say a long time we ain't talk. You see the man who bodyguard Radcliffe, him and my mother are going on business. Also them claims it.
So how your mother get involved with him? How them connect?
I don't know how the first connection go. But Shepherd did warn me about it and I try to tell her.
That can't be a good connection. I remember saying man that premiums from that part, Radcliffe.
So me feel too. Worst thing, him not have a criminal record. I mean know he's an ex-police.
So you do some digging for him?
Yeah.
You know you have to be careful about that.